What I got to show you here is something that you can see a lot in the internet where they bring names of God, Kabbalah, whatever, but unfortunately it's known properly. So I will try to explain it in such a way that people will understand, because this is really the basis of the creation of heaven and earth. You know, it's written God created heaven and earth with letters, with Hebrew letters. Bereshit bara Elokim et, from Aleph Tav. So those Hebrew letters are definitely letters which represent the spheres of God. So this, what you are going to see now, is unbelievable phenomena, which is really, as I said, is all over the internet, Kabbalah, because this is the basis of the names of God. But I will try to explain it as I saw that people misunderstand a little bit the idea of heaven and earth, Shamayim v'Aaretz, which come to the numerical value of 687. So it's very important to know 687. This is the numerical value of heaven and earth. By the way, it is interesting, the letters are, the numbers are 6, 7, 8. Basically, the sphere, the sword, kingdom. Understand what we not, whatever it is, this is the gematria of heaven and earth. As I saw the some bring it, but not in the right way. So heaven and earth. So what is this gematria, this number of heaven and earth? So we know quite well there are two main names of God, Ekeye and Yud-Keh-Vav-Keh. And Yud-Keh-Vav-Keh, Yud-Keh-Vav-Keh. Those names, Ekeye is the name of the sphere of the crown, definitely the highest, which have to do with heaven, Shamayim. While Yud-Keh-Vav-Keh represent more the lower one, which is Aretz really. So Shamayim v'Aaretz basically are these two main names. Now we know that in Gematria, definitely, there's a lot of Gematria. It's not only a simple one. You can see my book, Gematria, on Gematria, in my site, glazersonbooks.com, or in amazon.com, on Kindle. The book of Gematria glancing to the letters, a Caesar. My book about Gematria, there are many, many ways to Gematria. There is full Gematria, small Gematria, first letters, last letters, and also different way to write the letters. So here we have these four letters, the letters of the name Ekeye, which is really representing the highest, Shamayim, spiritual letters. And then you have the letter Aleph, A, Yud, K. So you can write in different ways. You can have Aleph, A, Aleph, Yud, always the same. A, Aleph, this comes to 143. When you write A, you can write also A. So A, Yud, K. The Aleph and the Yud. The Aleph and the Yud always the same. A can be written three ways, with Aleph, with A, or with A. So A. So then it comes to 151. When you write Aleph fully with A Yud, then under 61. Then this is the name of God, Ekeye, which represents mainly the highest sphere. Then the name Yud-Keh-Vav-Keh, also the A and the Vav can have different ways. So Yud 20, K 15, because the Yud, Vav 22, and K 72. Then the A can be written with A Aleph, as we saw before, the Vav, Vav, Aleph, Vav, 45. Again, the 4 verse. Then you have another way, when you write Vav, Aleph, Vav, AA, 63. Then comes here with AA, 55, 52. So altogether, the numerical value of all the names of AA and 61, 51, 143, 455. The all names of, you see here, the name of Yod Kevav K, 232. Together, 7, 6, 8, 7. Clearly showing the real meaning of Shamayim V'Aretz and understanding why those are the numbers, you see. So, as I said, as I saw, unfortunately, it's brought, but not so clearly, and people even sometimes made mistakes and pity for it. So therefore I brought it. So heaven and earth, 687, and all the names of God, the full Gematria, which represent completion definitely, and also the 4 names of God are the 4 against the 4 words, the word of emanation, of creation, of formation, and of action. Definitely lots of ideas there, you see. But the reason that I did it because I saw that somehow the idea is not so clear and it's pity. So, as I said, very interesting, and all shows you the importance of the Hebrew language. This is why only in Hebrew letters you have all these secrets, yeah, Aleph, Lamed, Pe, yeah, also a lot of meaning. Aleph is studying, learning, Pe, speaking, mouth. I mean, there's so much behind. You should see my books about the Hebrew language, and you see how great is this language. So, as I said, interesting and important because people, as I see, don't clearly see the picture and misunderstanding, and this is not good.